welcome to the kitchen. Today we're gonna make a giant chocolate bomb. We'll melt in the second bag while the first half dries. Okay, we're gonna go ahead and try and remove the ice and chocolate over to this. Okay, we'll place it on the sheet and we'll just let the ice melt out from underneath it. Okay, here they are, side by side, just waiting for some of the ice to melt out from underneath, and then we should have 2 halves of our spear for the chocolate bomb. It's looking pretty good.
We're gonna be melting our chocolate bomb with a gallon of milk, and so a gallon will take 4 cups of these, and then that's just gonna be a whole lot of extra chocolatiness. And then we're gonna put as many marshmallows in as we can.
Fill it up.
Mom, I want some marshmallows.
Are you so excited?
Yeah.
There it is, all filled up. 1 bag of marshmallows. How many cups of?
4 cups.
4 cups of hot chocolate. And we're gonna now seal it inside.
We're just letting it melt just enough to jiggle out. So it's
feel
not
it
quite
jiggling.
there, but it's almost.
But we need a little bit longer.
We'll give it a few more minutes. All right, let's see if it's melted enough to take it off. Ooh, perfect. We just let it melt just enough to come loose. Okay, here we go. We gotta melt the rim of the one side so we can put it on the other side. That's so cool.
There it is. All right, here we go. Size comparison. It's about the size of a basketball, or my head. Now we're gonna heat up a gallon of milk so we can pour it over the top of the chocolate bomb. We're taking extra precautions. We got it in this giant bowl and inside another bowl so that if it splashes, we don't make a huge mess.
That's pretty hot milk. Harley, what's happening? Oh, I see a hole. Back up, baby, it's
Back up,
hot.
girl. Back up.
Oh, there it goes.
Oh, it's like chocolate milk.
That is a big old chocolate bomb, huh? What's inside, Harley?
Marshmallows.
Oh, it smells so good. I can smell the marshmallows.
I would say that's a success.
I can smell it from right here.
Good job.
Giant
All right, stir it up.
chocolate bomb.
And now we got hot chocolate.
And now we gotta try it.